की अशें कितें घडलें ह्या इलेक्शनाक की तुमी आउटशर्ट करताले ते इनशर्ट करपाक लागले. आज सुद्दां तुमी सामके इनशर्ट करून आयल्यात. हे वेट लॉस एक्सरसाइज काय वोट लॉस एक्सरसाइज?
हांव नको तुका कितें जाय तें म्हण.
हांव काय म्हण हांव विचारना.
लोक वेगळे वेगळे इनशर्ट कितें आसा पळय. There are two reasons. One, in-shirt. It's not that I was never doing in-shirt. पयलीं देखून तूं पयलीं जाल्यार I was always doing in-shirt. खूब पयलीं केल्लो in-shirt. मागीर जाल्यार when you put in-shirt, you realize that you are going obese. And you can control. म्हणजे you feel that तुका जर लोक comment करचे पयलीं you try to control your diet and system भितर. तो एक reason. And the second reason, what has happened? In the last election, I realized that people thought that I was sick. अशें दिसता. Where I am not. I'm very healthy. And तितू भितर हेचे कडेन जातलें काय ना. Maybe that attire made me look little older than what I am. So I think now I have decided to
attempt to look younger.
Not that I am young only. म्हाका 50 जावना मरे साहेब.
तेच म्हणटा हांव. Attempt to look younger.
50 जावना म्हाका दिसल्यार 60.
I am not saying you are not young. I am saying you are trying to change that impression.
Change the impression is I am actually not that impression what people are looking at me. So that's why I am trying to be what I am actual. So I am not even 50 years old.
You are becoming age appropriate.
I am becoming age appropriate, or I am trying to trim down myself and be like you, fit and fine.
बाकी एक लास्ट गजाल सांगात की विचारले की ही वेट लॉस एक्सरसाइज काय वोट लॉस एक्सरसाइज का म्हणून. हे 9000 ते 600. We have very little time. I am not delving much into politics. But if Nilesh Kabra is doing an honest assessment today, दोन कारण सांगा म्हाका हाजे फाटले.
हांव अजूनय म्हाका कारण कळना. तुका सांगता सी म्हाजे दोन गोश्टी आसा. हांव मत मार म्हणून पयशे वाटपाचें म्हाज्या कॅरियरान केन्नाच करूं ना आनी करचोच ना. मत मार घे पयशे म्हाका मत मार. हांव हे पाटी करूं ना आनी फाटले कितले वर्सां तशें करूं ना. हां लोकांक हेल्प करपाक जाय, लोकांक गायड करपाक जाय. ह्यो गोश्टी 5 वर्सांक म्हणजे चालू आसता. हे टायमार कितें जालें की मे बी दॅट कॅन बी वन ऑफ द रिजन्स दॅट माय ऑपोजिशन हॅज स्पेंड सम मनी distributed to vote. Maybe that is the reason. One reason can be. Second reason, I'm unable to understand. See, accessibility, I am most accessible. गोंयचे लोक करता माझे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हाका फोन करता. एक्सेसिबल म्हाका कितें अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक पडना. म्हाका जर मेसेज घातले हांव सांगता यो. इतलो मे बी I was too accessible to people. Didn't realize that the value of Nilesh Kabra till somebody else comes. See, I'm last almost 17 years now in politics. Fortunately. So problem is what is assessing my own people in my own constituency is becoming difficult. Maybe I did mistakes which I never knew, and maybe I have to make a change in myself. Let us see. I hope that people have respect for each other. I have respect for my people, and people should respect me. And I give my sincere things. If you see my constituency, Modi ji has just come and आता 2014 म्हणजे door to door म्हणजे focus on garbage. I am doing my constituency for so many years, and I am doing it some places without any cost involved. It is out of my social this to
देश बाब एकच गजाल दिसता की I have two things that I noticed after the election is ह्यो की तुम्ही जी गजाल आसा ती सरळ सांगतात ही बरी गजाल. राजकारण्याक ती केन्ना केन्ना कठीण दिसता, but in the long term I don't think there is anything better than that. And a politician that tells you the truth is probably something we always wished for, but we are not accustomed to. Second, I like your new attire. I like this age appropriateness. And I hope you become younger and younger every passing day. With a great department like PWD in your hands. Aile itla manumekalepanan ulayla. I'm completely out of time. Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.